Bonjour et bienvenue dans ton nouvel entraînement. Aujourd'hui, on va travailler tes jambes. Un échauffement et 3 blocs pour challenger tes jambes. On a toujours besoin de nos 2 haltères et d'une petite table ou d'une chaise ou d'un sofa, quelque chose sur lequel on va pouvoir mettre le pied dessus. Je te montrerai ça tout à l'heure. Tout de suite, je te montre l'échauffement et c'est parti pour l'entraînement. Ok, on attaque notre échauffement avec 5 minutes, 3 mouvements qu'on va répéter les uns à la suite des autres. Mouvement numéro 1, ici on va chercher l'ouverture de hanche en descendant en position de squat. Lever la main droite, revenir au centre, lever la main gauche, revenir au centre et se redresser. On va enchaîner ça 8 fois. Dès que j'ai fait la 8e répétition, j'enchaîne avec mon mouvement numéro 2. Une fente vers l'avant, un twist vers mon genou avant et je change à chaque fois. Un pas, je twist et j'alterne. Un pas, je twist et je reviens. 3e et dernier mouvement, un half burpee pour faire monter un petit peu le cardio. On ouvre les jambes plus larges que les épaules, on place les mains au sol, on allonge les jambes loin derrière, on replace et on se redresse. 1, j'allonge, je ramène et je me redresse. On enchaîne ça pareil pendant 8 fois, et on reprend du début. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, tout ça pendant 5 minutes pour enchaîner le warm-up. C'est parti pour l'échauffement.
Alcoholics, what you know about a 2-time offender killer who extra cautious? Tell me something about a real club kid, better known as a Pennsylvania junkie. Them cats, they don't be scared. Mess around and take your money. Now look, if you pay what you make, let a crew say what you say. Eat Fridays on Tuesdays, make champagne from Kool-Aid. No play stuff, we bluff for real. Ride or die, we stuck for real. Yeah, times been hella hard. Let me know if you love me still. Let's hire my Brody homies to be our Corona roadies. Kill for my Betty boys, remind me of Jody. When you in the tribe, it's more than a vibe. So look to the sky like 4th of July. Do what you want before you should die. You gotta get high in order to fly. Look up in the sky, think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Look up in the sky, think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Every time that we pull up, every time that we go, every time we look down, this life is all that we know. I said this life is all that we know. Life is all that we know. Every time we look down, this life is all that we know. I said every time that we pull up, every time that we go, every time we look down, this life is all that we know. I said this life is all that we know. Life is all that we know. Every time we look down, this life is all that we know. Look up in the sky, think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Look up in the sky, think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane.
When they come, and they will, they'll come for you.
I have an army.
We have a Hulk.
Oh, I thought the Beast had wandered off.
You're missing the point. There's no throne. There is no version of this where you come out on top.
Let me infiltrate the beat, concentrate the heat. If you ain't on my level, fuck it, let me be. I'll be going till it's all in motion, talking killing rappers, then I hit my quota. And my train of thought is more a locomotive, talking reason for it, I got locomotive. Used to be on a revenge tip, on a stun on my ex in a France tip. I was Spider-Man whipping the black suit, I was powerful but almost lost Luke. Blurring the line between human and artist, try not to change but I swear it's the hardest. I swear when you're up they turn you to a target. Home was a trip, all I did when I'm talking. So, what it take to be an icon? all in your desktop, so I just might already be one. Mind me with the label, it feels on the table one sign, but I'm down for a free lunch. Just speaking my heat-seeking missiles of hits, but other than me, I see no heat exists. Yo, gassed up, I'm about to go green, go green, go green. Hulk smash if she know me, know me, know me. Write it to life like I'm Stan Lee, Stan Lee, Stan Lee. If life's about to be a cold war, I'm the hero that they asked for. Green, 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 green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green, 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 green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green, 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 green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green, green, green. Get the fuck back, I'm about to go green. I might begin making a feature Iraq, cause when I hit your beat I turn shit to Iraq. Dropping bombs like I'm cursing you out. This your house, then I'm kicking you out. Quiet as a mouse, came in the game, not a word is out that I've been lighting the flame. Shit is potent, don't you know it? I've been flowing, steady growing till they know the name. Saw it ahead of time, knew that I'd get to my losing myself in the view to some window pane. I swear I'm all about peace, I'm a positive person. Wasn't always like that, you know it took me some learning. They asked me how I push a positive light, how I keep my composure through internal fights when addressing the mic through these dark nights. Where the Bruce Wayne, what a trick me. Here's some truth that I'll let free, Bruce Banner of rap if you ask me. When my will to win and the track meet, the secret is I'm always angry. Yo, gassed up, I'm about to go green, go green, go green. Hulk smash if she know me, know me, know me. Write it to life like I'm Stan Lee, Stan Lee, Stan Lee. If life's about to be a cold war, I'm the hero that they asked for. Green, 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 green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green, 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 green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green, 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 green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green, 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 green. Get the fuck back, I'm about to go green.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes.
Premier bloc d'entraînement, 3 mouvements, 30 secondes le premier, 15 secondes pour switcher, 30 secondes le deuxième, 15 secondes pour switcher et 45 secondes le troisième. Je te montre le premier mouvement. Ici, on a un Bulgarian Split Squat. Un haltère dans chaque main ou juste un haltère si besoin. Pied droit ou pied gauche devant et l'autre vient se placer sur notre chaise, notre table ou notre canapé. Ici, je viens descendre le genou le plus proche possible du sol et me redresser. J'enchaîne ce mouvement pendant 45 secondes. Dès que j'entends le switch, je change et je refais la même chose sur l'autre jambe. C'est notre mouvement numéro 2, 45 secondes. Ok? L'idée ici, c'est de rester le plus droit possible et de descendre le genou bas en pressant dans son talon avant pour bien renforcer la jambe qui est au sol. Le troisième mouvement, Romanian Deadlift. Ici, j'ai les genoux légèrement fléchis, les mains vers l'avant. Je viens longer les cuisses et les tibias en gardant le dos droit. Dès qu'on sent un étirement à l'arrière des cuisses, on pousse dans les talons pour se redresser. Je contrôle, je sens l'étirement à l'arrière des cuisses et je me redresse. Attention, pas les jambes complètement tendues et on fait attention à ne pas relâcher son dos. Hein. Poitrine bien haute, fessiers poussés vers l'arrière, abdos serrés et on enchaîne ça pendant 45 secondes. 1 minute de récup après, 4 tours, on y va pour l'entraînement.
This one's on me, let's go downtown tonight. One shot, 2 shots, I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down, so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. And I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy for living this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. So let's drink to everything that we've been through.
have changed. I may have lost my way, but every song I've made, oh yeah, was the blueprint to how I overcame. Was the blueprint to how I overcame. Was the blueprint to how I overcame. Was the blueprint to how I overcame.
Yeah, I've wanted a lot of things that I couldn't have. I've done a lot of things that I shouldn't have. Yeah, but I live with no regrets, cause I wouldn't be here if I chose a different path. I've worked so hard, I've worked so thorough. I love my team, I wouldn't trade them for the whole world, but I would trade these groupie bitches in a heartbeat if there was a chance that I could ever have my old girl. My first love, man, I can't believe I lost her due to miscellaneous bitches all on my roster. So my advice to all my homies out there, with a woman that really cares, don't fuck around, it might cost you. Yeah, but like I said, man, it's no regrets. We move forward, stay positive and hope for the best. I'm obsessed, I want it all, dog, and nothing less. I'd rather be a dead man than to live with no success. So I spit it from deep in my chest. All of these inner feelings used to just keep them suppressed. Then I wondered why the fuck I would be so depressed, and I realized that I really just need to confess. So when you hear me on a record, it's the real me. I only do it for the people that can feel me. And if you wanna hate, then go ahead and feel free, but I'ma continue to do this shit until it kills me. I've been lost, I've been found, I've been up, I've been down. I've been broken, I've been bruised, beaten and abused by a bitch ass motherfucker my mama would choose. So before you judge me, be sure that you walk in my shoes. I used to sleep out on the streets with a couple sheets. Feeling weak, I've gone weeks with nothing to eat. But fast forward, just a couple years more, me and my team about to do a nationwide tour. In a second I will find that out. It's like I forgot everything I ever cried about. It gets tough, the road may get a little rough. It's all good, homie, you just gotta ride it out. I used to walk up on these tracks, now I'm hurdling, so my homies will never have to snatch a purse again. Yeah, but I know it was truly worth it when I could tell my mama she don't ever have to work again. Only 20 years old when she made me, just a baby, with a baby. Yeah, I know, girl, I drove you all crazy, jumping off the walls, going all ADHD, dropping out of school, no job, I was lazy. You said I end up locked up or pushing up daisies, but you know, girl, that ain't how you raised me. That was just a phase, I wasn't finna let it faze me. Been on a mission just to get it, and I got it now. They know the name, my fans asking me to jot it down. This music shit, you know a nigga all about it now, cause I don't know where the fuck I would be without it now. I used to be a Bama, I could pop the collar now. The girl that used to diss me asking me to call her now. I used to look out in the crowd and hear not a sound.
Castro.
Yeah, that's what they shouting now.
I know I may have changed. I may have lost my way, but every song I've made, oh yeah, was the blueprint to how I overcame. Was the blueprint to how I overcame. Was the blueprint to how I overcame. Was the blueprint to how I overcame.
Yeah, I got when I got mine. Wasn't hot when I got signed. Fucking not what I want, but I stack what I want till I'm back on the right side. Back on the west. Manned up, took a slap on the chest. Running yaps, motherfucker been attached. Motherfucker, 3 fingers, let me rap with a bitch fly. Look at me, I'm treading through the city. Who you know do it better in the city? Who you know moving cheddar in the city? Slewing bread in the city. 2 ahead, you ain't with me. Doors too open for the kid now. Poor sitting goals for the rich now. Motels turn to this, I'm rich now. Shit, let me miss out. Baby, how you been? I'm sorry that you missed out. You with a rapper now, huh? He a copy. Look at me, then look at his style. Poker history, I've been in now. You see up on my social that I'm in town. And it ain't coincidental that I see every time you've been rolling through the spot that you in bounds. Listen how this pin sound. I've been zoning through the city, man, it's LA life, been good to me. Been good to me. Seeing where I live now, man, this fan been hood to me. Said I could real shit. That I would real shit. Said I stand real shit. Motherfucker, so I stood real quick.
Okay.
Get away now. Too many games and they all trying to play out. Too many people and they all start to change now. Let me take a bet, they gon' know my name now. Yeah, we came a long way, but it's one way. Got a long way to go like it's Monday. Someday gotta be in LA. No, I gotta make it work out like chest day. Yeah, we just young and we living, we doing it right over here. While you missing just me and my homies, we running the city. Not worry about blowing these hundreds and fifties, cause when you get caught up in money, it's fake. The happiest thoughts end up going to waste. I got all my people, they holding me down. They all coming with me when I got the crown. Track, trying to master rap. I never gave it up when they called me whack. I gotta run the game like I'm a running back. I gotta change it up so you ain't stuck with that. Now give me the mic and I'm gone. I'm hoping it ain't for too long, but I'm trying to make it all around the world. Meet the fans that put me on. You know we got it, yeah we got it. We gon' fill it up like it's a wallet. We gon' live it up like it's college. We gon' soak it up like it's knowledge, yeah. And I gotta pay homage to my fam and the fans from the hometown. Got the hill going up when we back now. Put the 919 on the map now when I'm gone.
like, yeah, I love this street. Hollywood, baby, home with the freaks. Yeah, girl, you the freak of the week. If you don't love West Coast, then you don't smoke best dope, and you don't get XOs. Your girlfriend at our next show, it's like, oh, California, it's summertime. My top lit back, and we unwind.
On attaque la deuxième partie, toujours 30 secondes de travail, 15 de récup, 30 secondes de travail du deuxième mouvement, 15 de récup et 45 secondes de travail sur le dernier mouvement. Ici, avec un haltère ou juste au poids du corps, comme tu veux, on va chercher à descendre en pistol squat. Une jambe devant, une jambe proche de notre tabouret. Je descends, je viens poser juste les fesses et je me redresse. Si ça c'est un petit peu trop dur, on peut poser les orteils de l'autre jambe au sol. On contrôle la descente et on vient repousser le plus possible dans le talon qui est au sol. Ok, le but c'est pas de s'écraser sur notre matériel, mais vraiment de contrôler la descente. Dès qu'on vient toucher les fessiers, on se redresse. La même chose ensuite sur l'autre jambe. Okay. Si on est à l'aise, on peut tendre complètement la jambe. On descend, on pose et on se redresse. Ça, c'est notre mouvement numéro 2. Et enfin, le troisième et le dernier. J'attrape mes deux haltères que je place au niveau de mes épaules et je viens faire un squat. Remonter à moitié, redescendre et me redresser complètement. En bas, au milieu, en bas. Yeah. Et ça pendant 45 secondes. Et croyez-moi, tes jambes vont brûler. C'est parti.
Then you sign a deal with my fan for real, cause my camp will kill for the love that we got and feel. Oh, yeah, so I need a meal. It's my gang, it's my team, it's my life, it's my dream. Yeah, West Coast. Champagne for my real friends, real pain for my fake friends. That don't shake hands, that don't make friends, that just hide my face behind Ray-Bans. Whoa, 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 you know, whoa, whoa. Not happy, let's up in the West Coast. So rocky here for my real friends, no shots in here for my fake friends. You can hate, man, I don't make amends. I just live my life, I don't take from them. Whoa, 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 you know, whoa, whoa. Not happy, let's up in the West Coast.
When I woke up this morning and the haters were up on me, I just told them stay up out of my way. Because I got a real bad temper, it's the middle of September. I don't think you wanna catch my case. Man, if you do so much as touch me, then it's bound to get ugly where police don't end up all in my face. So, to eliminate the problem, I pop a bottle, then yell out sayonara and have a nice day.
How could I know what it's like? How could I know what a life? Know a lot of artists who don't like to bring it to light, and I'm included in that, I ain't saying it's right. But it's been pushed out the news, don't look like change will happen soon. Donald Trump is all that they talk about, I'm tired of it too. They only talking about racism when the city's burning up, when cops are getting shot, and when the shooter's getting cut. Peaceful protests rarely get a mention. Y'all demanded this could be prevented. Y'all sensationalize the violence just to get a check-in. What's the message? Only getting heard when you draw the weapon. You wonder why these people getting hurt. You ain't learned your lesson. Interview yourselves, god damn it, that might answer questions. Look at how you rep it, what's projected. Fuck you Fox News, y'all won't ever get it. So I gotta step in, white man from the 307, telling y'all I'm fed up with
When I woke up this morning and the haters were up on me, I just told them stay up out of my way. Because I got a real bad temper, it's the middle of September. I don't think you wanna catch my case. Man, if you do so much as touch me, then it's bound to get ugly where police don't end up all in my face. So, to eliminate
parts of roads, I'll never relate to that. Might get pulled over, they check my ID and hit the gas. All these divisions, race, religion, economic class. How are we free till realities can overlap? I know what it's like to live round dollars on dollars, and I know what it's like to see that money get smaller. And I know what it's like to live with and without God, but I'll never know life at systematical odds. Fucked how the system has played with all of our minds. Wish that we could see each other through a child's eyes. No prejudice instilled, manipulation of the will. One world, under one sun, over one race that is human. We fight amongst ourselves like, what the hell are we doing? Shit is so outlandish while we fucking up the planet, fighting over someone's color while our planet's in the red. A miracle in a sunbeam, yeah, y'all know what I've said.
When I woke up this morning and the haters were up on me, I just told them stay up out of my way, because I got a real bad temper. It's the middle of September, I don't think you wanna catch my case. Man, if you do so much as touch me, then it's bound to get ugly where police gon' end up all in my face. So, to eliminate the problem, I pop a bottle, then yell out sayonara and have a nice day. When I woke up this morning and the haters were up on me, I just told them stay up out of my way, because I got a real bad temper. It's the middle of September, I don't think you wanna catch my case. Man, if you do so much as touch me, then it's bound to get ugly where police gon' end up all in my face. So, to eliminate the problem, I pop a bottle, then yell out sayonara and have a nice day.
Snacks and cups of Patron, parties on buses with us. Me and my bros on a mission to leave with your riches, your bitches, and even they clothes. Yeah, I don't know, probably give it to a charity or something. Every girl nowadays wanna marry me or something. Hate that shit, all I needed was a pic, but your ass only sending me a narrative or something. Made a pic of tits, bitch, I ain't even knowing it. Boyfriends hate me and I ain't even noticing. Never tie a girl down, I ain't never roving them. Hella blunts everywhere, I'm second hand smoking them. Really real, it's me and Gerald. Tell all the lame niggas how they girls. Going dumb till I'm numb. Couldn't even tell your ass out his veils. Trying to write a rap when you're drunk is a skill though. Bottles and bars and they both being killed though. Trying to talk to these bitches is hard, cause I sound like Boomhauer from King of the Hill though. Girls do wanna come, wanna stay. Sex and Super Smash Bros, hoes wanna play. It's really fucking hard and I wasn't trying to party, but fuck it, okay. Turn up.
I don't know why I get so high. Wake up tomorrow and my whole day's gone by. Doing what the fuck I feel like. Will someone tell me is this real?
Last night was a movie. I swear last night was a movie. I swear last night was a movie. I swear last night was a movie.
Okay, last night was cinematic. I'm a women addict, it's been established. She pulled my shirt, then ripped the fabric. Woke up shirtless, just in a jacket. Roll a spliff of cabbage, I'm living lavish. You're living average, this isn't Newman. I've been a savage, wrote every swisher that's in the package. Yeah, I'm just young and blessed. Past that trash, I'm unimpressed. These hoes get kicked out, that's sudden death. I'm on one, probably could've hung one on her ass. Now I'm gonzo, cross-faded. Took another shot, should've waited. When tomorrow comes, I'ma hit it. Up until then, I'ma make it. Yup. My mind is so gone. Rolling up more, trying to get in my zone. Fuck going out, man, I'm all good at home. About to call it no girl who I know I could bone,
I don't know why I get so high. Wake up tomorrow and my whole day's gone by. Doing what the fuck I feel like. Will someone tell me is this real?
Last night was a movie. I swear last night was a movie. I swear last night was a movie. I swear last night was a movie.
So faded, so high. So faded, so high. If I do some more, I'll pass out on the floor like I'm waving goodbye. So faded, so high. So faded, so high. Every night on tour, we all do dress galore, man, I stay in the sky.
I don't know why I get so high.
I made it out the hood, 7 years old. Gunshots and sirens. Rapping cause my first beats were gunshots and sirens. Told me no snitching or you would go missing. Niggas drawing blood, call the violence artistic. I remember teachers saying everything was art. Same teacher down talking to graffiti in the park. Ebonics that I speak, got her squinting when I talk. She confused by the way we fuse Webster and Pac. Mad cause I didn't really study a lot, but I quoted every lyric to the albums I copped that. I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to getting pussy. 6 years old, I ain't know about the pussy, but I was on the playground daring niggas to push me. And a slick mouth kept me in and out the principal's office. Mama walking in pissed, I was scared as hell. Told me if I spoke true, she'd provide the bail, but if I lied and she found out, she'd take me to jail. Kinda harsh, but it's real and I thank her for that. Yeah, the Oscar goes to her for playing mommy and dad. Lil' man run the house, she called me Poppy in fact, cause I stepped up, stood out and got me some racks. Mama gave up a dream, she took one for the team. Now I'm in the game ballin', trying to get her a ring. I'm waiting on tomorrow, waiting for someone to follow, waiting on tomorrow to come. So I'll keep waiting for tomorrow. Time gets hard to borrow, waiting for tomorrow to come. Yeah, I'm trying to get us some things like a house in Espanol, the best unfold. Swear to God, my life story is the best untold. Lyrically, the rhymes I'm spitting will sell like gold. While them hating ass niggas were perplexed at home, I was in the studio trying to perfect my flow. If we talking about a shot, he got the best at throne. I'm not the next best song, I've been the best since bone. I was best at birth, be the best to the hearse. But the old heads diss me cause I'm young and I curse. They don't understand that this generation is hurt. Girls listening to songs that can't determine they worth. Boys listening the same, so they selling for work. Leaving only two options, either jail or get murked. Damn, yeah, it's either jail or get murked. Leaving only two options, either jail or get murked. So I'm waiting on tomorrow, waiting for someone to follow, waiting on tomorrow to come. So I'll keep waiting for tomorrow. Time gets hard to borrow, waiting for tomorrow to come. I'm waiting on tomorrow, waiting for someone to follow, waiting on tomorrow to come. So I'll keep waiting for tomorrow.
Troisième et dernière partie, on va enchaîner 8 minutes de Tabata. Tabata, c'est 20 secondes de travail, 10 secondes de récupération. Les 4 premières minutes, ça va être un mouvement et les 4 suivantes, ça va être 2 autres mouvements pour travailler nos abdos. Je te montre le premier mouvement. Ici, glute bridge avec un petit peu de lest. Pendant 20 secondes, on va travailler. Pendant 20 autres secondes, on travaillera sur l'autre jambe. Ici, je viens écraser les épaules au sol, rentrer mon ventre, serrer mes abdos, tendre une jambe et pousser vers le haut, puis redescendre doucement. Je pousse et je contrôle. 20 secondes de travail, 10 de récup et on enchaîne avec l'autre jambe. Bien sûr, si c'est un peu trop dur ou si le poids gêne, on le laisse sur le côté et on se concentre avec le même travail au poids du corps. Et crois-moi, tu vas bien sentir tes abdos. Dès qu'on a fait les 4 premières minutes, on enchaîne directement avec le Tabata numéro 2. Un petit peu de renforcement pour les abdos. Bras légèrement vers l'arrière. Je plaque le bas du dos au sol et j'allonge les jambes. Ici, si on sent que ça creuse de trop au niveau des lombaires, je viens chercher un peu plus vers le haut ou alors je plie les genoux. Ok? Choisis ton alternative. Si tout va bien, bras tendus, jambes tendues. Et plus je vais aller chercher loin vers l'arrière avec mon haltère, plus ça va être dur au niveau des abdos. 20 secondes ici et 20 secondes pour faire demi-tour. Se mettre en position la marche de l'ours. Marche de l'ours, c'est les mains juste sous les épaules, les genoux sous les hanches. Je décolle à un petit centimètre. Et là, on va jouer un petit peu avec l'haltère. Tu vas venir chercher l'haltère, le ramener, poser la main et faire la même chose de l'autre côté. Je viens chercher l'haltère, je tire, je ramène. Je tire, je ramène. 20 secondes de travail, 10 secondes de récup. On alterne ces mouvements, ok? À chaque fois, c'est 1, puis le deuxième. C'est parti pour le Tabata.
If you wanna get right.
Wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life.
If you could have the money and the fame, have a couple planes in your name, or popping a champagne, would you buy a big house and a couple of whips, and cash a couple of your chips for a closet of kicks? I'd have every Jordan ever made, so every day I could have a different pair. I wanted to be displayed, I would have my bed 10 times bigger than me, and a Hawaiian punch fountain that's bigger than Deeds. I would buy a golf course and a court for all sports, host the Final Four while I'm eating 4 course, romping outdoors, playing polo in a Porsche, and of course it ain't a race when you own every horse. I'd have a guest house for the guys with me, up in Shy City where we sit in sky pretty. I'm just trying to catch a flight and make it in time. You could say I got a fly state of mind.
I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life.
See, I'm talking about that jet life. I be working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back on that one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. Working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. I wanna wake up to a butler with a joint roll for me to help me head upwards. While I clear my head, I wanna discover that Natalie Portman is under my covers. Pull a blank check, get a water slide from my room to the pool, and I ain't worried about school. I'll take a paycheck and buy a couple of A's so my grades will amaze. Looking like I was Harvard made, sexy made, yes. And I got places to be and seen in some magazine, rolling in a limousine. I got people to do, a couple things to see. Kick it at a mansion, partying with Charlie Sheen. I'd hit the studio with Kanye, make a couple hits while we sippin' Bombay, make another trip to kick it with Dr. Dre, then get hella jet lag from flying the whole day.
I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life.
See, I'm talking about that jet life. I be working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back on that one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. Working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life.
I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life.
Pacing inside of a room, I feel like everything has been falling apart. I put my heart and my soul in this shit, but I don't think that anyone notices it. I never sleep, I just don't have the time. I can't relax it, I gotta go get it. My mind has been playing an integral part in the monster that I have become. Boy, where you you from? Not where they call for belong, not where they carry a gun. I'm from a place where these niggas procrastinate, making excuse why this shit never happened. Oh no, not me, I will not be distracted inside of a prison that I am created from lack of an effort. Will not be your captive, I cannot submit. If I quit, I admit that the data was right. I would like to be better than what I am currently. Currency comes with that if you're committed. I'm giving you everything that I got. It's a shot that I take. If I make it, just know it's a process. My progress is all that I think about. I still remember when you niggas laugh. All I do is working, I don't see nobody else. So what the hell is competition? I don't wanna fucking up. You niggas say that you got it, but man, I never say that. We showing lyrical prowess with the content. I'm very adamant. I plan to master this, making the most of the time that I can. Cause I'm young at the moment, I won't be forever. I need to focus and do nothing else. It's an affirmation, I repeat to myself. I pray to God that I keep it together. Can't sell myself for no diamonds and gold. I'm as cold as they come, I do not need no friends. I could do this alone, I will not accept help. I got faith in the path that I've chosen for sure. I want the legacy, not the allure. Misleading illusions and not for the boy lies.
Something I want, yeah. I feel like I'm sprinting, feel like I'm running. I'm going in circles. Said I'm going in circles. Here we go. Binges depriving myself of rest just to achieve. Hope this shit work, I don't have a plan B. And I fucked if it don't, man, I need to proceed and believe or concede. But I'll never concede and I work at a speed that no one's ever seen. I'm a hypochondriac, I lack isolation. I do not relate to the shit that I hear, but I fear that I'll change if you hear in my lane. And I'll knock you right out of it quick to correct. If you think that I won't, got a noose in the trunk in a place for your body. But before I mutilate, make sure I say grace. My intent is manic, my mood is depressed, I'm regressing. Now I've been suppressing emotions, I'm mostly aggressive. I'm pressing my pen on the paper, my target is anyone thinking they're greater. Can't nobody do it with this side of this motherfucker respond. I shut it down, I want it now when I bet it, I'm finna get it. Who the fuck is gonna stop me? You listening to a second type of nigga definitive when I get it, I'm a villain on the MIC. I need my YVs, intravenous lyrics, they coming out of MD. I know when the envy, I swear that I'm not. You do not know what I've been through, but listen, I promise you'll never imagine. I'm asking for silence, at least for a second. I'm asking my pain in a way that's a proper regard. I sacrifice that to the Lord. Man, I got faith in the path that I've chosen for sure. I want the legacy, not the allure. You're misleading illusions and not for the boy. God bless, motherfucker. I'm running, I'm going in circles. Said I'm going in circles. Here we go.
Every time I think I gotta go, cause if you see then you gotta know, bitches they only care about the flow, come on you know how the story go. This the shit that never run and they always pretending, acting kinda sinning. They mind what I'm bending, just imagine like Lennon that we living like long division. My vision is risen, shout out my homie in prison. Shit is deeper than an incision on the lower level. Word of the devil, I can feel the trouble inside, telling me what to do, I never abide. Feel the vibe, the second we ride, you know we know just how to do it. My style, they can never renew it, I bet they know it. Every time I think I gotta go, cause if you see then you gotta know, bitches they only care about the flow, come on you know how the story go, every time I think I gotta go, cause if you see then you gotta know, bitches they only care about the flow, come on you know how the story go,
She came with a couple of friends, tell them to come on in. I was wondering, do you need someone to fill you in? On the reg, nigga, don't give no fuck about when you mad at me. I'm hitting that pussy, stand up on the wall like ain't no gravity. King Chip is what? Good observation. He gon' keep living while you keep observating. Is that even the word? No, but is you hating? Language is the art, so when I talk, I'm creating a whole new way to live, way to think, way to feel. And let these bitch ass niggas know they fuck with me, they gon' get killed. They gon' run, put that on my son, nigga, don't get no fuck. All the nigga know is bad luck, bad luck. Know a nigga getting to these ends while I can, though. Working towards more happiness than I can handle. Light a candle, South Africa at the Saxon. My door's open, we smoking, chillin', relaxing.
Every time I think I gotta go, cause if you see then you gotta know, bitches they only care about the flow, come on you know how the story go, every time I think I gotta go, cause if you see then you gotta know, bitches they only care about the flow, come on you know how the story go, I see through these motherfuckers like CAT scans. And if they talking back, I just give them the backhand. Think I work for Apple the way I give them the Mac, man. Only partially ballin', motherfuckers is Pac-Man. Goddamn, I'm just playing. Don't pay attention to what I'm saying. Everything just a part of my plan.
Cause really I ain't shit, I'm just a man. Chillin' in my city, spending money like Diddy, hundreds and fifties. I'm spitting gritty while you sitting pretty. Who fucking with me? First name Bobby, but I spit that crack like I was Whitney. Started as a hobby, but who knew back then what this shit would get me? And now they all up on the scrotum. The second I told them these lyrics I wrote them, acting like I owe them. Not a lot of people understand my words cause I encode them. Now these bitches give me the top of the totem. Allow me to break it down, I feel like I'm breaking down till I hit the mic and cook up the shit that I'm making now. Kinda like Quentin Tarantino, me's only built for Cuban links, Gambinos at the casino, blowing my nose with a C-note. Some people call me Robert cause I'm all about the dinero. You talk a lot of shit, that's why you sound like a culero. You fucking battle, my lyricism is fatal, mendejo. All up in my business while I'm just trying to get the queso. Life is about the peso, in English that means the money. And if your buzz is as big as mine, you'll get all the honeys like. Every time I think I gotta go, cause if you seek then you gotta know, bitches they only care about the flow, come on you know how the story go, every time I think I gotta go, cause if you seek then you gotta.
Bravo pour cette séance, on a bien travaillé nos jambes. Je te souhaite une bonne récupération maintenant et on se retrouve très vite pour un nouvel entraînement. Ciao!